You might believe that selling your property exactly as it stands today is the smartest way to preserve your equity and avoid upfront headaches. The idea of listing an as-is home sale is undeniably seductive, promising a quick exit without the hassle of contractors, dust, and dwindling bank accounts. But what if that seemingly frugal decision is actually the most expensive mistake you can make? The truth is, avoiding pre-sale repairs rarely saves you money. Instead, it systematically dismantles your property's perceived value and invites buyers to slash your final price. When you decide to skip essential maintenance, you are not just passing a to-do list onto the next owner. You are inadvertently broadcasting a signal of distress or neglect to the entire market. Buyers walk through the front door and immediately begin a mental tally of visible flaws, from a water-stained ceiling to a heavily worn carpet. That mental arithmetic is never in your favor, and it sets the stage for a brutal financial penalty that far exceeds the actual cost of fixing those initial problems. This penalty manifests as a substantial risk premium. When prospective buyers spot unresolved issues, they do not merely deduct the retail cost of a repair from their offer. They double or triple that number to insulate themselves against the dreaded unknown. If a leaky faucet costs $200 to fix, a buyer might deduct $2,000 from their offer, assuming the plumbing is rotting behind the walls. But how exactly does this inflated fear dictate the mechanics of your transaction? The psychology of house hunting is driven by emotion and risk aversion. A buyer touring a property with obvious deferred maintenance immediately wonders what hidden nightmares lurk beneath the floorboards or inside the electrical panel. They begin to view your home not as a sanctuary, but as a liability. This mindset shift fundamentally alters the competitive landscape, transforming enthusiastic bidders into skeptical critics who will only proceed if they feel they are getting an absolute steal at your expense. To combat this, proactive homeowners must execute ROI-focused pre-listing repairs. This does not mean completely gutting your kitchen or adding a luxury primary suite just weeks before hitting the market. Instead, it requires a surgical approach to addressing the red flags that trigger buyer anxiety. Patching drywall, servicing the HVAC system, repairing roof leaks, and applying a fresh coat of neutral paint are high-yield investments. These targeted improvements neutralize objections before they can even be formed in a buyer's mind. Once those foundational repairs are complete, strategic home staging acts as the ultimate value amplifier. Staging is not merely decorating, it is the deliberate curation of space to highlight architectural strengths and suggest an aspirational lifestyle. By combining a meticulously repaired infrastructure with flawless presentation, you shift the buyer's focus from calculating renovation costs to envisioning their future life in the home. This emotional connection is the catalyst for premium offers, but ignoring the physical repairs can instantly shatter that illusion. If you ignore those repairs, you also invite the severe threat of an appraisal gap. This occurs when a buyer's lender dispatches an appraiser who determines the home's fair market value is significantly lower than the agreed upon purchase price. often due to poor condition. When an appraisal gap strikes, the bank refuses to finance the difference. The buyer must either cover the shortfall in cash, which is rare, or you must drastically reduce your price to keep the deal alive. Furthermore, an unaddressed repair list severely restricts your buyer pool by creating insurmountable financing hurdles. Conventional and government-backed loans often require a property to meet strict safety and habitability standards before funding is approved. A home with peeling exterior paint, a failing roof, or outdated electrical panels will simply not qualify. By default, you are left catering almost exclusively to cash buyers and predatory investors, a demographic notorious for demanding steep buyer discounts. Entering the market under these conditions strips you of your negotiation leverage. When you are cornered into dealing only with investors or bargain hunters, you lose the ability to dictate terms. These buyers know you have limited options, and they will exploit that vulnerability relentlessly. Instead of fielding multiple competitive offers that drive the price upward, you find yourself on the defensive, forced to entertain low-ball bids that erode the equity you spent years building. This loss of leverage becomes even more apparent when navigating contingency clauses. These are specific conditions written into the purchase agreement that must be met for the transaction to proceed, such as a satisfactory home inspection. In a standard sale, buyers submit earnest money, a good faith deposit proving their commitment. However, if your home is riddled with obvious defects, buyers will use their inspection contingencies as a weapon, threatening to walk away and take their earnest money with them unless you concede to massive price reductions. The consequences of these fraught negotiations often lead to a stalled transaction. A property that goes under contract only to fall out of escrow because of repair disputes quickly accumulates days on the market. In real estate, time is the enemy of value. A listing that lingers for weeks or months becomes stigmatized. New buyers will see the extended market time and assume something is fundamentally wrong with the property, prompting them to submit even lower offers. But what happens when you attempt to time the market with a flawed product? Precise market timing analysis is a powerful tool, but it is entirely neutralized if the property condition is subpar. You might perfectly time your listing to coincide with peak spring demand or plummeting interest rates, but an unprepared home will still flounder. Strategic sellers understand that market timing must intersect with peak property condition. Launching a pristine, fully repaired home into a hot market creates a frenzy. Launching a deferred maintenance property into that same market merely creates a target for flippers. Understanding pricing psychology is crucial to avoiding this fate. To set the right price, a professional will conduct a comparable market analysis, or CMA. A CMA evaluates recently sold homes in your area with similar square footage and features. However, if your home requires significant work, you cannot price it at the top of the CMA range. You must price it aggressively lower to account for the condition, immediately locking in a loss before the first buyer even crosses the threshold. The math behind these hidden costs is unforgiving. If a comparable move-in ready home sells for $500,000 and your home needs $30,000 in repairs, you might assume you can list it for $470,000, but the market does not work on a simple dollar-for-dollar deduction. Because of the risk premium, buyers will likely offer $430,000 or less. You are effectively paying a massive penalty simply for refusing to manage the repairs yourself. Navigating this complex landscape requires ethical agent selection. A truly fiduciary real estate agent will not simply agree to list your home in disrepair just to secure a quick commission. Ethical professionals will have difficult conversations with you, presenting the hard data on why avoiding preparation destroys your wealth. They will provide a clear seller-first strategy outlining exactly which repairs are necessary to protect your equity and which can be safely ignored. This seller-first approach relies on transparency and strategic action. It means conducting a pre-listing inspection to uncover hidden defects before the buyer's inspector finds them. By identifying a failing water heater or a compromised foundation early, you retain control over the repair process. You can source multiple quotes, hire trusted contractors, and manage the expenses on your terms, rather than being held hostage by a buyer's inflated repair demands days before closing. When you take control of the home's condition, the narrative of your listing completely transforms. The property transitions from a daunting project into a premium turnkey asset. Buyers are willing to pay top dollar for the luxury of convenience. They want to unpack their boxes on a Friday and host a dinner party on a Saturday without worrying about calling a plumber. Providing that seamless experience is how you unlock the highest possible valuation for your property. Consider the financial impact of a major system replacement, like a roof. A new roof might cost you $12,000 out of pocket before listing, but a home with an actively leaking 20-year-old roof might suffer a $50,000 price reduction during negotiations, assuming it can even secure financing. By absorbing the upfront cost, you are not just fixing shingles. You are defending tens of thousands of dollars in hard-earned equity from predatory discounting. Armed with a fully repaired and meticulously staged home, you unlock access to advanced negotiation tactics. When a buyer submits an offer, you are no longer negotiating from a place of weakness or apologizing for the home's condition. You can confidently hold firm on your asking price, knowing that the property's condition justifies every penny. If a buyer attempts to nitpick minor cosmetic flaws, you have the leverage to simply reject the request and point to the next buyer in line. You can further defend your asking price by presenting a comprehensive binder of repair receipts, warranties, and a clean pre-listing inspection report. This documentation acts as an impenetrable shield against lowball tactics. It proves to the buyer and their appraiser that the home has been proactively maintained and that there are no lurking disasters. You replace their fear of the unknown with tangible proof of quality, effectively neutralizing their ability to demand unwarranted concessions. Beyond the financial victories, doing the work up front drastically reduces the emotional toll of the selling process. The period between accepting an offer and closing day is notoriously stressful, often characterized by frantic negotiations over unexpected inspection findings. By addressing repairs before listing, you eliminate the mid-escrow panic. You can pack your belongings and plan your next chapter with confidence, knowing the deal is built on a solid, fully disclosed foundation. The effort invested in painting, patching, and polishing yields an exponential return. It is a profound realization when you see multiple offers rolling in above your asking price, completely free of demanding repair contingencies. The market rewards those who remove friction. By taking the friction out of the transaction for the buyer, you maximize the final price and dictate the timeline of your own success. Ultimately, selling your home is one of the most significant financial transactions of your life. Refusing to prepare the property is a surrender of your hard-earned wealth. Embrace the process of strategic repairs and staging. Partner with an ethical agent who prioritizes your bottom line. Understand the psychology of your buyers and fiercely protect your leverage. By presenting a flawless move-in ready home, you command the market, secure your equity, and walk away with the absolute highest final price possible.